Hey everyone, the vacuum doctor here. And just a quick video. If you have a Dyson V7 or V8 and it's doing this, that can only mean there's a blockage. Now, in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you what's causing it and what could the potential issues be. So, let's get started. Let's start from the main issue first, is a blockage. So in this case, if you have pets, a lot of hair can get stuck up in here. You want to remove it, use your finger, use whatever, throw it out. Next, pull up like you're emptying the bin, and on the side here you see this red button. Hold that red button down with your other hand. You want to grab the cyclone and pull it out like so. And then on the side over here, you can kind of see, if you put your finger where the bin goes, from this side, there'll be a lot of dirt and debris stuck in there. So make sure to look in there. The next one, the last one, which is the main cause, is a filter. It will mean your filter is dirty and needs washing. So what I recommend is to wash this, but first, what you want to do, you want to get a flathead screwdriver. And you see these little knobs here? We want to put a flathead screwdriver. You want to be careful, you don't want to hurt yourself, but you want to push in and then down to take one out. And then you want to do one more and you can take it all out. Like so, and this will come apart. And you'll see a lot of dirt usually gets stuck in here, and kind of like a muddy and hard dirt gets stuck in here if you wash this a lot. And this one looks okay, but you never know. So what I recommend, put it under water, squeeze for about a minute until the water runs clear and not dirty, and then let it to dry and put it back in the little crevices, and that should be it. If you have any questions or anything else, leave a comment, subscribe. I'll see you next one.